Good morning, everyone. It is Saturday the 14th and I am here in the bathroom again and I am getting ready to go to brunch with my sister. Absolutely the best deodorant ever. Definitely worth the $30. And then I take my fingers and I just do some whatever this is. Now I'm going in with these eye patches. This is the most satisfying moisturizer pump ever. I'll kind of just mix that and then kind of just spot little places. Then I'm going in with Rare Beauty's blush in a shade Encourage. I think this is just a beautiful color for just like an everyday wear, especially like for the winter and fall. Now I'm going in with Rare Beauty's little contour stick. And then I'm using Rare Beauty's setting spray, like the 4-in-1. And that is it. Hello. Hello. Close-ups. Okay, we are on our way to breakfast slash lunch. Brunch. Hello. Hello. We went to Maple Street. It was really good. Maddie ordered the wrong thing.
I would order it again, but I wanted, what was it? It was like gravy and like fried chicken.
And biscuit, right?
Yes. Oh, allergies, sorry.
Anyways, we are...
Please unplug that thing. That's what it is.
We can open a window. Alright, we're gonna go to Marshall's and browse, and then we'll go to my parents to say hi, and then we'll go back home. We got a little beanie over here. Is that funny, Trey?
He's laughing.
Gotta look at a little scrubber.
Bougie!
Does he like...
Bougie! Anyways, we got this. It's a little soap dispenser and dish brush set. Then Molly got for Trey a Bizu, which is a stacking circle. So it's like you can help like practice and learn how to do that with shapes and stuff. And then also some baby wipes. Water wipes, the world's purest baby wipes. Ooh. This is supposed to be really nice, travel size, perfect.
Yeah, I like putting those in his little backpack.
And then what I got, one thing for me, one thing for my boyfriend. So I'm gonna show what I got. I got these hair clips. It's like 4 different types of hair clips. So I'm excited to use them. And then I also got like a green, I think this is Nautica, yeah. And it's just like a quarter zip. Okay.
It's so you can steal it, basically.
Basically, I'm gonna steal it eventually. But it's a quarter zip, and it's got, I'll spill the coffee on me. Really nice long sleeve, super thin, super soft also. So I'm excited to give it to him. That's about it. Bougie!
Okay, anyways, we're gonna go home and I will catch you guys up later. Okay, I moved outside because I didn't want to be loud because Trey's sleeping, Dan's still sleeping, and my sister took a nap. It's been about an hour since you last saw that clip, and now and I just finished like filming, or I already filmed that. I just finished editing and uploading a TikTok video that I filmed earlier today. In the mood to do something that I've been wanting to do, and that is to put Trey's playpen into the sunroom, this room back here, and basically make the sunroom his playroom. And we have another TV that I want to put out here too, so like when he wants to watch Miss Rachel and stuff, I don't have to put it on the big screen TV, and just have basically his whole playroom out in here. And I do have a desk in the sunroom as well that I don't use because I stay in the dining room because I will need to make sure I'm watching Trey. So if I move everything out there, like, it's gonna be a lot easier to actually use my desk and also watch him. So I think that is the plan. I think that's the plan. I'm in the mood to do it, so I better do it while I'm in the mood, or it probably won't get done for another couple of months. Alright, this is the setup that we are going for. We have to find the legs to the TV, but that is gonna go there because that's the only outlet that works in here. And these little, like, I don't know what they are. Like, of course there's like bubbles everywhere. Did not do that well. But this is like the little privacy thing. So I'm gonna order like probably a bigger sheet so I'm not cutting in everything. And then I'm gonna put them all in our windows because they're super renter friendly, because this is the house that we are renting. And then I will put his playpen right here, I think. I'm gonna put his playpen right here. I'm probably gonna move that recliner on that corner. So I'm gonna clean all this up and then I'll be back. This is everything in here that I put back. And then I have a bag full of like the silicone toys and stuff like that that are kind of dirty that I'm gonna let soak in some water, and then yeah. But ignore this really bad lighting, but it already looks so much better with the open space. I'm gonna pull the coffee table out as well to make it look a lot more put together.